It is polynomial part 8. In this video we will see that relationship between the zeros and coefficient of cubic polynomial. After this we have already studied that relationship between the coefficient zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomial. Now we study about cubic polynomial. Its general form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0. Now consider a cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0. Then the sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube, and sum of zeros, the sum of product of zeros taken two at a time is equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. And last relation is product of zeros is equal to minus constant term by coefficient of x cube. Okay, now we see that its proof, how it's come. Let alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of polynomial. Then we can write sum of zeros as alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to x square. Coefficient of x square is what here? B. It means minus b by coefficient of x cube is a, and sum of product of zeros taken two at a time. Okay, taken two at a time is equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. That is alpha into beta, beta into gamma, and alpha into gamma. These are the pairs. Okay, and it says sum of, and we have to take what? Plus sign is equal to what? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is c and coefficient of x cube is a, and product of zeros, that is what? Alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus constant term. Constant term is d, and coefficient of x cube is a. Now we see that its proof, how it's come. Then alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros. Then we can then x minus alpha, comma x minus beta and x minus gamma are the factors of the polynomial. Okay, now if we take product of these three terms, then we get what? Polynomial, our cubic polynomial. Okay, now we see that what it comes. Now we can write as x minus alpha and x minus beta into x minus gamma is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, and one thing, if any number come in denominator, then we take k is a value. Okay, and here now we already multiplied in previous video that what we get there? We get there kx square minus kx into alpha plus beta plus k alpha into beta. Okay, we have already solved this. Now we have what? Which term? Only we left this term, x minus gamma. Okay, now we multiplied one by one in this term. Then we get kx cube, first kx cube minus kx square gamma and then minus kx, then it is minus kx square alpha plus beta, and then after this minus minus plus kx into x minus kx alpha plus beta into kx alpha plus beta into what? Gamma. After this, last term is kx alpha into beta, and then last term is k alpha beta into gamma is equal to this term ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now we take common here what? Xk x square. Then what we write here? What we can write? Minus k x square. Then we get here gamma plus alpha plus beta. Now we arrange here what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. And then in these two terms we have common what? Kx. Okay. Then we take here common kx. Then we get here alpha plus beta into gamma plus alpha into beta. Okay. And now last term is k alpha into beta into gamma is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Now we again we multiplied here what? We get alpha plus beta plus gamma as sum of zeros, and here product of zeros. Now we have to take what? Sum of product of zeros taken two at a time. Now kx into, now again we arrange here alpha plus beta, right? Alpha into beta, right, in first order, and then alpha into gamma and beta into gamma. Okay. Minus k alpha into beta into gamma is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now similarly in the previous just we have comparing the term, comparing this term, comparing the coefficient of x cube, x square, and x and constant term. Okay, comparing the coefficient of x cube, x square, x and constant term. Then we get what? We get kx cube is equal to what? Ax cube. Then we get here k is equal to a, that is equation first, and second minus kx square alpha plus beta plus gamma, these are equal to this what? Bx square is equal to bx square. Now x square cancel, and here minus k, the value of k is a. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what? Minus b by a, using first. Okay. Now third term is minus this term kx into alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma is equal to this term is equal to what? Cx. Okay, then we write here cx, x get cancelled. Now k is equal to what? A, you from first, then we write here alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma is equal to what? C by a, and last term is what? Constant term, that is kx is equal to what? D. Okay, minus k alpha into beta into gamma is equal to d. Now alpha into beta into gamma is equal to what? Minus d by a, using first. Okay, now I hope that you are clear these relationship between the zeros and coefficient of cubic polynomial. Okay, example of this This topic we study in next video. Okay, thank you for attending the class.